In today's video, I'm going to teach you the best practices for video production with Google Vids. Diving into video production might seem a bit daunting at first, especially if you're new to Google's ecosystem. But not to worry, because today I'm going to guide you through some crucial steps that will not only help you get started, but also ensure you're making the most out of Google Vids. Let's embark on this journey by first heading over to Google Vids. Now, Google Vids is a part of Google Workspace, a collection of cloud computing, productivity, and collaboration tools developed by Google. If you're wondering about the whereabouts of Google Vids, it's just a few clicks away at workspace.google.com/products/vids/. This platform is a treasure trove for anyone looking to create, edit, and share videos seamlessly within the Google ecosystem. Once you're there, the next step is as simple as clicking on Sign In. It's quite straightforward, but this step is crucial as it unlocks all the features and capabilities that Google Vids offers. Remember, Google Vids is all about seamless integration with other Google services, making your video production process as smooth as butter. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This might seem like a minor step, but it's quite significant. Ensure you're signing in with the account associated with your Google Workspace subscription or the account you plan to use for video production. This ensures all your work is saved and accessible across Google's ecosystem, fostering a more integrated and efficient workflow. Now that you're signed in, it's time to dive a bit deeper. Go to the Help section. Yes, even seasoned professionals need a bit of guidance here and there, and Google Vids Help section is designed to provide just that, whether it's troubleshooting, exploring new features, or understanding best practices. Speaking of best practices, the next step is clicking on Training. Training resources are incredibly valuable for mastering Google Vids. These resources are meticulously designed to provide you with tips, tricks, and in-depth tutorials to enhance your video production skills. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your existing skills, the training resources are there to guide you every step of the way. Last but certainly not least, within the training resources, make sure to click on the Vids Best Practices Guide. This guide is a goldmine of information, offering insights on optimizing your video production workflow, ensuring content quality, and maximizing viewer engagement. The Best Practices Guide is not just about the how-tos, it's about empowering you to create compelling and impactful videos with Google Vids. Throughout this journey, remember these steps are designed to not only get you started with Google Vids, but also ensure you're equipped to produce high-quality video content. Google Vids stands out by offering a platform that's integrated within Google Workspace, making collaboration and sharing incredibly easy. By following these steps, from signing in with your Google account to diving into the training resources and best practices guide, you're setting up yourself for success in video production. A little tip before I wrap up: take your time to explore and experiment with Google Vids. The more you use it, the more you'll discover its capabilities and how it can fit into your video production needs. Don't hesitate to revisit the training materials and best practices guide, as these resources are regularly updated to reflect new features and improvements. And with that, you're now well on your way to mastering video production with Google Vids. Remember, creativity is a process, and with Google Vids, you have a powerful tool at your fingertips to bring your vision to life. Happy video making.